Weather or not. Weather is the daily fluctuations of climate. Hearing the weather from around the world makes it seem like it's worse than it's ever been. Is the scorched earth new? Has it ever occurred before? Are the skies more ominous than they have ever been? Epic snowstorms, angry seas. Melting glaciers. Storms like we have never seen before. What you've just seen is not a climate crisis, it's regular weather variability. Weather is just the fine structure of the variability of climate change. The scale of climate change takes over thousands or millions of years to occur. Mankind is not in control of the forces that cause climate change. This diagram clearly shows that there is no correlation over 500 million years between carbon dioxide and temperature. These dramatic changes in temperature levels and carbon dioxide levels were not caused by mankind. They are the changes that take place because of the complexity of the Earth's geological behavior. The carbon dioxide levels have been in the thousands of parts per million for more than 500 million years. And the 400 plus parts per million now is nothing compared to the history. The climate in the last million years that you see was predicted by Milutin Milankovitch. Milankovitch was able to show that the climatic variations that have been recorded were due to the behavioral patterns within the Earth's orbit. These climate variations, predicted by Milankovitch, are clearly shown in the behavior of the last 150,000 years. The predominant gas in the atmosphere that is causing a greenhouse gas effect is water vapor in the clouds and the sky. Carbon dioxide contributes only 0.12% of the total greenhouse gas effect. Carbon dioxide is not the villain. The number of each of the colored dots represents the contribution of each of the individual gases to the total greenhouse gas effect. Man-made carbon dioxide contributes only 0.12%. Looking at the spectroscopic behavior of the various greenhouse gases, one can easily see why water is so potent in this effect. As you can see, water is so much more significant than carbon dioxide. Only one of the three vibrations of carbon dioxide are affected by IR radiation. The harmonic absorption bands of water in the infrared are very significant. This table shows the concentrations of the various greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Is it not strange that carbon dioxide only became a problem after mankind arrived on the earth? So, does carbon dioxide have any benefits to mankind? So, is CO2 important? Well, without CO2 at levels above 150 parts per million, all plants would die. And if they die, we die. All of the plant life on Earth behaves significantly better the more carbon dioxide there is in the atmosphere. So, if we want our plants to grow big and strong, as they have in the past, we need to increase the carbon dioxide level, not decrease it. So take your pick, lots of carbon dioxide or very little carbon dioxide. It's up to us. You can clearly see the positive effect on plants of increasing the carbon dioxide level. Here, you can clearly see that the carbon dioxide levels over 500 million years have always been very high and significantly above 2,000 parts per million. We need more carbon dioxide, not less carbon dioxide. If there is no global warming crisis, then why are we spending billions of dollars on an imaginary problem? Well, unfortunately, it's not about the science of saving the earth. It's about the prospect of making money. More than 99.99% of the people on earth have absolutely no technical understanding of the forces that are responsible for climatic change. So as they say, follow the money trail and you'll see who's responsible for the alarmism in the global climate crisis syndrome. This is about the science of misdirection. Look at the science while I steal your money. This scenario is all about the stuff in everybody's head that they know to be true, but just ain't so. Stop the scam and let's do some real science.